Hey traders, how's it going? Brandon Carter FX here, aka Mr. Golden Ratio, and I just want to welcome you to the BCFX online trading course. Finally here, congratulations for joining. What you will experience throughout this course and by the time you finish this course is a significant difference in your profitability, a significant difference in your lifestyle change. A number of things will happen in the positive regarding your life, regarding your trading career, that you will notice after taking this course that is priceless, basically. What you will also learn, see, and hear here is 100% proprietary. Now, you will hear and see some of your very traditional, terminology and ideas of the market in regards to support, resistance, Fibonacci, trend line, counter trend line breaks, etc., on and on and on and on. But what you will also learn here and see here, what's most important and very key to this specific online course is my particular way of viewing the market when it comes to decision making and whether I decide to go long or short and why. You will see the market as I see it. You will learn to identify certain things with my very specific proprietary way of thinking, way of seeing the market, and the things that I look for to happen before deciding to make a trading decision. That's what separates this from anything you've seen or heard anywhere else. And again, I can't stress it enough. Some very proprietary ways and techniques in which I view the market, analyze the market before deciding whether to go long or go short. You guys have seen it hundreds of times over and over again. When it comes to the calls I make, when it comes to, for example, the Bitcoin price prediction I projected, you guys seen that play out. The gold projection, you guys have seen that play out before and afters. And it all comes down to the very proprietary way in which I analyze the market in confluence with, like I said, some of your more traditional ideas and ways, trend line, support, resistance, Fibonacci, etc. But in addition to these things, and in confluence with my golden ratio, my BCFX touch on how I view the market. So everything you will learn here. This is not for you to share with anyone else. This is not for you to go and give away to someone else. This is for you. You are here. You are watching me. You are learning this info here and now for a reason. This is an investment in your future, and you've made a very wise decision. Very wise. If you're looking to see a whole bunch of indicators, you're not going to find it here. Like my slogan says, I don't use indicators, I am the indicator. So if you're tired of using indicators, it's time to become the indicator. BCFXsignals.com has that slogan nice and clear on it. I don't use indicators, I am the indicator. And that's what I'm here for. That's what you are here to learn, is to do away with indicators, and it's finally, that time to become the indicator. You determine whether or not it's about that time to go long or to go short. Not waiting for some squiggly line to tell you whether to buy or whether to sell, or that it's about time to buy or about time to sell. And fair warning, if at any point in time you were watching these videos that are teaching you how to trade, what to look for, I don't care what chapter you're in. There's several chapters of videos to watch and thoroughly watch through. Okay. If at any point in time you're watching and you're thinking to yourself, I've heard this, I pretty much know about this, let me skip, you will fail. Period. You will 100% fail. Guaranteed, hands down. Because, like I said, there are, even in the most traditional things, support resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci, different candle patterns or whatever. Even though even though all of these traditional techniques are used, in each of these, there is very specific and proprietary ways in which I view in addition to these. And so if you're watching along and you're thinking to yourself, well, I've heard about support resistance, let me skip through it, you're going to completely miss it. And I'm going to laugh, and I'm not going to care that you blew your account. Don't come crying to me that you blew your account because you couldn't be patient enough to watch through and completely learn step by step and listen to and watch every image and listen to every word and demonstrations that you're going to see and hear. There is nothing skip worthy about anything you're about to learn today. Let me repeat myself. There is nothing skip worthy about anything that you are going to learn today. I don't care what you've heard before. You didn't hear it how I'm presenting it. Even if something sounds familiar, again, there are key ways, proprietary, in which I approach some of these ideas in the trading, in trading, that I add to it that makes the magic happen, so to speak. So, fair warning, watch every video, every second, every minute. Do not skip a fraction of a second of it. Otherwise, you will fail. Period. Now let's make some profit.